This is the main screen of the application Take Control from Tech for Freedom. With this app, you will be able to use your UFO as an interest point and customize information that you want to see each time your mobile device finds this UFO. At the top of the screen to the left, we can find the button Find. If we press it, we are going to locate any registered UFO which is in range.
Find button.
To the right, there is the button Scan Begins.
Scan begins button.
When we press it, we are able to find registered or not registered UFOs in range of our mobile device.
Scan back button.
The list of found UFOs is going to appear in the middle of the screen.
List of UFOs heading. UFO unknown in range.
This UFO is not registered yet. In order to register it, we need first to select it.
Selected UFO unknown in range.
After this, we then can click the button Register, which is located in the toolbar above the list of UFOs.
Register button. Register back button.
Here, we will need to fill up some fields that are necessary for us to get the correct information when we find this UFO.
Name text field. Name text field is editing.
After we type the name, we need to click on the button Done at the right of the keyboard in order to go to the next field.
Done. Dismiss button.
Then we will fill out the description of the UFO, which is the information that we actually will hear when we get close to it.
Description text field. Description text field is editing.
Again, we click Done.
Done.
And we can go to the next field, which is Link. This one is not mandatory, but you could always link something, a web page, a sound file, or whatever resource you like to this UFO. In this case, we are going to link the menu of the day from this restaurant.
Link text field. Link text field is editing.
Done again.
Done. Dismiss button.
And then the URL to that specific link.
URL text field. URL text field is editing. Done. Dismiss button.
And just before clicking in OK to save our changes, we can adjust other settings like the distance from which we want to detect the UFO and the kind of sound that it makes.
Sound indoor button.
Here, we are going to leave it as indoor sound as it is going to be inside of the restaurant.
Activation range. Closer button.
Here we have some buttons that we can select in order for our mobile device to find our UFO at a closer or further distance.
Further button. Distance to detect the UFO, very far away, image.
If we want to make it closer, we would just need to press the button Closer until we find the one we like.
Closer button. Closer. Distance to detect the UFO. Closer. Distance to detect the UFO. Far. Distance to detect the UFO. Close.
Once we are satisfied with our setting, we then just press OK in order to save the changes.
Back.
Once we press back, we will return to the main screen and our UFO is going to be detected with all the information we linked to it.
Back button. Find restaurant St. Falls. Restaurant St. Falls. You are at the entrance of the restaurant. To your right, you have the bar. If you continue straight on, you will find the tables to your left, and further down through the aisle, you will go to the services. Daily menu button. Info button.
If we press the Daily Menu button, we will be taken to the URL that we just registered. If we want to find the exact place where the UFO is located, we would just need to press the button Find.
Find button. Find dimmed.
Ready! This is all that you need to know in order to quick start and use the application Take Control from Tech for Freedom. Enjoy!